Hi guys, so today I'll be telling you about the ABC analysis. ABC analysis is a method of inventory management, and the core principle used in ABC analysis is the Pareto principle, which is the 80-20 principle. ABC analysis is formed on the basis that not all items that we have in our stock have the same value. So there are some items that are more valuable than the others and some that are less. So in this scenario, for example, we have nuts and bolts, and then we have major components that are being used to manufacture a car. So the value of both those components is not same. It might happen that the quantity of less valuable components is more than the quantity of higher valuable components, right? So in that scenario, we need to understand how much monitoring we need to do for highly valuable, and then for medium, and then for less valuable items, right? So the highly valuable items will have more monitoring, while the minimum value items will have lesser monitoring, or the medium valuable items could have need-based monitoring. So that is the basis of the ABC principle or the ABC method. So now the A stands for the very highly valuable items. So these form 70 to 80% of the complete value, right? So it might happen that there are 10 items and one item costs, let's say, 1000 rupees. So 10 items will cost 10,000 rupees, and the overall cost of all the stock or the inventory that we have could be about 15,000 rupees. So 10,000 among 15,000 into 100 is the amount of is the percentage of the highly valuable items that we have. So 70 to 80% is the range that we keep for the highly valuable items, and the percentage of volume is 5 to 15% volume. So that becomes a category A. Now category B is 15% of the value and 30% of the volume. So as you are seeing, the value is decreasing while the volume is increasing. Now the last, which is the C part, which means these require less monitoring. So that is around 5 to 10% of the value and 70 to 80% of the volume, right? So now A has reversed to C when it comes to volume and value. So this is the ABC analysis, and it helps us understand how much or how we need to monitor, and it helps us classifying the inventory in such a way. Thank you so much.